Hello YouTube. Just back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix app and browser control option missing in the Windows computer. If you are facing this problem, you are on the right place, and on this video we are going to see 4 solutions. So check each of them. One of them may solve your problem. So let's start from solution number 1. If you are facing this problem, solution number 1 will be checking for Windows update and install all the pending updates. So in order to do that, just go here on the bottom search icon and type here Windows update. Here the Windows update setting, then open it. So this step will work for all Windows computers similarly. So just here you'll find check for updates, or if you find here pending updates, so try to install all those pending updates. But if you did not find, just click here check for updates, and it will check if there will be any updates. And if it starts downloading, wait until it will finish. Then after the download will be completed, then install that specific file. So in my case, there is no update, you are up to date, so I'm going to close. So this will be the first solution. If solution number 1 is not working for you, then solution number 2 will be install pending security updates using CMD. So in order to do that, just go here again on the bottom, search, then type CMD, and here the command prompt, then right click on it and select run as administrator. Confirm, select yes. Then after you find this, I'm going to attach this notepad under the description box of this video. You will find here commands. So copy paste each of them one by one, which is under solution number 2. I'm going to copy this one and here edit, then paste. So then press enter, and again go here, and the second one, which is copy, and again here edit, paste, then press enter, then the final one, this one, which is signature update, copy, edit, paste, then press enter. So this will help us to install the pending updates or security updates on your computer. So wait until it will finish, then after that type exit. So here it finished, exit, then press enter. Then after that restart your computer. So after the restarting, if the problem is still continuing, then solution number 3 will be resetting the security application. So in order to reset the security application, what we are going to do here, click the search icon and type here PowerShell. Here the Windows PowerShell. So right click on it and select run as administrator. Then confirm yes. Then here the Windows PowerShell is opened, and you will find here command, this command, which is under solution number 3. So just select this one again, copy, then minimize it, then go here again, edit, then paste, and press enter. This will reset your security application on your computer. So wait until the resetting process will be completed. In my case here it's completed. Then type here exit. So after the PowerShell close, then again restart your computer. So after the restart, again if the problem is still occurring, then the final solution will be following the group policy and making some changes under the setting. In order to do that, click here the search icon and type here GP edit. Here edit group policy, then open it. If you cannot find your group policy editor on your computer, I'm going to put a video on this video's description box so you can find and you can get back your local group policy editor, this one. So after this one opened, then go here to administrative templates, click here the arrow, and after the administrative complete template open, then go here to Windows components, click here the arrow, then scroll down and find for Windows security. Here the Windows security, then click again the arrow. So after the Windows security opened, then find for app and browser protection. Here the app and browser protection, just click on it and you will find on the right side two options, which is prevent user from modifying setting and hide the app and browser protection area. So double click on this one and this will help you to open this option, and make sure you select here not configured, and after that select here apply and click here OK and close your local group policy editor. So these are the solution to solve your problem, and if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Just take out.